We'll start this example with a new empty playlist. To add a time of day event, just left-click on the event clock icon and drag it anywhere in the blank playlist. The red drop bar appears at the top of the list and the new event time window opens. Enter the time in hours, minutes, and seconds, midnight in this case, and if you wish, enter a descriptive name for the event. Click OK and the event appears in the playlist. Now we'll drag in the event icon again and drop it below the first event. We'll start this event at 6 a.m. and give it a name as well. You can see that there are 6 hours to fill with content between midnight and 6 a.m. So now we'll drag in the event icon and drop it between the midnight and 6 a.m. events. Set the time for 5 a.m. and name the event. Now there are 5 hours to fill in the first event and 1 hour in the second. Continue with this procedure until you've created the playlist event structure you want to use. Then just drag and drop content to complete your playlist. And don't forget to click the Save button and name your playlist so you can open it whenever you wish.